The famous ground beef rolls. Everyone loves it when I make them. Start by cutting 700 grams of chicken. Cut them into strips, then into cubes. Then transfer everything to a food processor and beat until everything is well crushed. This is the right consistency. After doing this in a large bowl, add 1 kilo of ground beef, the crushed chicken, 1 medium crushed onion, parsley to taste, 1 tablespoon of salt, black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and mix everything very well until combined. This is the right mix. Now get a handful of this mixture using your hands. Make a ball, then shape it into a cylinder just like this. Repeat this process with all the meat. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Once you've done that, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom. And when this oil is hot enough, add the meat kebabs we prepared and fry on both sides until golden brown. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hand, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe and download it. This is the right point. Remove them from the hot oil and drain the excess fat on a plate lined with paper towels. Now, in a food processor, add 2 tomatoes coarsely chopped into smaller pieces, 3 garlic cloves, parsley to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, a generous drizzle of olive oil, and beat everything well until combined. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right consistency. Serve the kebabs with the sauce we prepared. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe. Now, I'll head to the comment and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and comment and subscribe.